Hey Nelson Owls, this is Ms Belknap. I miss you guys so much. I'm here today to do my first video with you guys, first science video. This week what we're going to be asking you to do at home is something kind of like what we've done at school. We have talked about animal coverings at school, and this week at home I want you to talk with your family at home about animal coverings. I have Lizzie with me here. Remember Lizzie when I brought her to school? What kind of animal covering does Lizzie have? Do you remember? It's scales. She has a really, really rough back, but her tummy's kind of smooth. So she has scales. These scales protect her. And fish and alligators also have scales. Bet you can think of some more animals that have scales. A lot of reptiles have scales. Then, we'll put Lizzie right here. We have feathers. So some animals are covered in feathers, like chickens and birds. Even birds that don't fly have feathers as well. And I have a couple of feathers here. Look how cool this one is. That's like a peacock feather. And I'm not really sure. This looks like a pheasant feather, but I'm not sure. I have a couple of feathers for you, and I want you to talk to your family about animals that have feathers on them and what the feathers are good for. I remember talking about something to do with water with the feathers. See if you remember and can tell your family. The next one that we have is shells, and I don't have an animal that has a shell, but Miss Dickens brought her little red ear slider turtle to school that time and showed it to us. Turtles do have shells, and so do crabs, hermit crabs that you could get at the beach, and regular crabs. Also crawfish. It's crawfish season right now, so some of you might have had crawfish recently. Crawfish have shells on them too. We have to peel the shell off of them, right? The shell protects them. Then the next one, I'm going to put Lizzie right here, and I hope that she stays right there. Come here, Jessie. Come here. So this is my dog, Jessie, and I want you to think about what kind of animal covering she has on her. What does she have on her? Does she have scales or feathers? I sure hope that Jessie doesn't have feathers. She has fur. So she has fur to protect her. And if you look on here, lions and bunnies and monkeys and skunks, dogs and cats, lots and lots of animals have fur on them. There you go, Jessie. Then the last one that we talked about, Jessie wants to get Lizzie, so we'll get her back, is skin. So like an elephant has skin, a dolphin, a frog, and then we have skin as well to protect us. That is our covering. So this week at home, I want you to do a couple of things. So I thought one neat thing would be for you to look through your picture books, look through books that you have, and try to find different animals in there and talk about what kind of covering does that animal have. You could even do a scavenger hunt in your toy box, go through all your toys and see if you can find some stuffed animals or toys that have different kind of coverings on them, animal coverings. There's another thing that I'm sending for your parents, and they can print it out. It is this page right here. So it's called Undercover. There are lots of pictures of animals on here. Then on the other side, there are some categories like fur, feathers, scales, and then smooth skin. It doesn't have shells on this one. But you will cut out these pictures and put them on here. It'll be on two separate papers for your parents to print out for you. That's something that you can do. So we really, really look forward to seeing the things that you do at home because we miss being able to do those things with you at school. So ask your parents to let you send some videos on Dojo. That would be awesome to see what you guys are doing. You can send pictures or videos, and you can just say hi. We'd love to hear from you. Talk to you guys really soon. I'll have another science video for you next week. Bye.